welcome back to JazzedTutorials. Oh, it's been so long since I posted a video. I don't think I posted one in 2020 yet, have I? No. As you know, I've been very distant from this channel because of the new algorithm on YouTube. There's a lot going on that is behind the scenes, but maybe you follow some YouTubers that have spoken about it. I don't know. Any hooser, so I'm kind of like going to be posting sporadically on this channel because I'm not getting a lot of views, I'm not getting a lot of subscribers, comments, all that kind of stuff, because YouTube has hidden my channel from like the search bar now. So if you try to find me, it's a bit tricky. I may or may not show up in the suggestion boxes on the sidebar, I don't know. The new algorithm with YouTube is crazy, so I don't know what's going on, but for those of you that are subscribed, I still will be posting videos, just not as often because I don't have the content. I don't have the channel audience that I had, you know, a year ago. With the new algorithm, everything's changed. So you gotta be cautious of what I post and what I don't post and whatnot. So it's tricky, but I'm figuring it out one slowly but surely. So here we go. We are making a 90s VHS tape effect of some sort. Yeah, just thought I would, you know, throw it out there and see what happens. So I found this lovely texture on google.com. I believe the site that it came from on Google says PixArt. PixArt is actually an app I use, you guys. I've done a review on PixArt before, so check the app out. On the App Store, I love PixArt. They're like a mini iPhone version of Photoshop, but not Photoshop, so check it out. I love that app, so that's where this thing came from, apparently. I noticed in the little sidebar it says PixArt. I'm like, cool. So we're using this. I will link this below in the description box because you will need this. And we're going to open a photo. I'm choosing black and white only because I feel like it's going to showcase the effect nicer than a color photo will showcase. So I desaturated my photo automatically just to give it that lovely black and white. I'm going to double click it. Oh yeah, I got to make sure I do this correctly now. Oh yeah, RGB. Okay. So we're going to double click this and we're going to uncheck the R on this one. Or is it GB? I think it's GB. GB. Yep. So uncheck GB on your channels. Only have R selected. Basically RGB is red, green, blue. In case you didn't know, that's what that means. Yep. So red selected, so red's a color. Okay. You have to have, again, I forgot to mention this, 4 different layers of the same photo because we're going to be getting rid of different colors on different layers because we need to have a lot of effects. So on your second copied layer, which mine looks different than yours will, I'll explain that momentarily. The second layer above that needs to have only GB checked off, so get rid of the R. You want to have like, so we're going for like a 3D effect here, sort of, kind of, really. Ish. If we may. Alright. There's that, and then we have a third layer, and that one you need to only have blue selected, so get rid of RG. So there you go. Once you have done that lovely bit of stuff, go ahead and select V on the keyboard. V, if you didn't know, that is the move tool. That's over here. And you're going to hold down your shift key and move your second layer to the right, to the left, and I've already done that, as you noticed. You'll see how mine's a bit weird now. That's because I already did that same thing. Do that same exact thing on the other layer, the third layer. Move that to the left side this time, over there, and the bottom layer can stay where it is, so you have like a 3D effect going on right now. It's very confusing, I know. Trust me. Alright, fourth layer is going to be a ripple effect. So how did I get the ripple effect? Well, I did a few things here and there in the filters / distort section. Where is it? Distort. I did the, no, not ripple, excuse me, the shear. So shear brings up this lovely panel, and I basically made a warp of like a weird squiggly line. You guys make your own squiggly lines up however you want to have it going. It don't matter. But yeah, make sure it wraps around on the unidentified area, and you'll get a ripple effect there. On that layer, also change the opacity to 75%, and your overlay is your blend mode on that one. And it should blend in nicely with the other ones there, giving it a weird, like, strange effect, okay? That's where we're going. And then, of course, last but not least, we're going to be adding our texture layer, which is the VHS tape type deal. So open that up and paste it into your photo, and set that layer to screen, and you should get something like that, and voila! You have yourself a lovely 90s themed VHS effect, sort of. Now, some of you might say, hey, that's not a VHS effect. What, are you crazy? I'm from the 90s. I'm from the 90s too, okay? There was an effect similar to this on some VHS tapes I had, okay? It may not be exactly quite like that, but it's close enough, okay? This is what we're going for. So, there you go. That is that. Now, you could technically make the texture yourself. That is very simple to do. I could have done that, but no, I want to take the lazy man ways out and use a texture already created. So, you guys will have it simply made for you too, because I will provide the texture in the description box below. How about that? Now, do you want me to show you how to make this from scratch? Because I can do that in a whole separate tutorial, because it is a bit of a task. I did do it. It's a test run. It does take a bit to do. So I decided to go texture route for my tutorial. Anyways, guys, I appreciate your subscription if you do subscribe to my channel. I do love people that like my videos. I love your comments, your feedback, your suggestions, all that good stuff. Continue being awesome. Continue supporting my channel by subscribing and clicking the lovely little bell to get a reminder when I post a video. Comment below with any suggestions whatsoever. Any feedback, that's great too. If you want to see something very oddly specific on my channel, like, hey, I want a text effect, comment that too. I would love to see that. Or, hey, I want to have a photo effect like this again, but in a different format or something like that. I don't know, whatever. I'll take that too. Any business inquiries, such as like freelance work, my business email can be found in my channel About Me section. Click that, it will say business email, and it will show you right there where it is. I am on social media as well. All links are below in the description box. I have a Twitch channel. I stream games, and now and then we stream some live Photoshop tutorials, so check that out as well. That's also in my description box, I believe. Also, links are on my channel page as well. And I will thank you again for watching this, and I will see you guys in another video sometime very soon. I may also do a poll on my channel to see what you guys want for content, because I know sometimes you guys are like, ooh, I love a speed edit. Oh, I love this or that. Or so I'll do that as well probably in the coming days. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again sometime very soon. Bye!